In this problem, we'll factor a polynomial. We'll factor the polynomial 5x squared minus 26x plus 5. We first of all check to see if there are any common factors, and there are none. And we can check to see if we have a trinomial square. And since we don't have any terms that are perfect squares, we do not have a trinomial square. So we need to factor, and we can factor using the FOIL method in reverse, or we can factor using the AC method. And this time we'll try to factor using the AC method. Using the AC method, we first multiply the leading coefficient 5 times the constant 5, and we get that 5 times 5 is 25. Then we need to factor 25 in such a way that the sum of the factors is negative 26. If we remember, or we can realize that negative 1 times negative 25 equals 25, and negative 1 plus negative 25 equals negative 26. Therefore, negative 1 and negative 25 are the numbers that we're going to use to factor this. Now, when we use the AC method, we use that negative 1 and that negative 25 to split the negative 26x into two terms. So I write this as 5x squared, and I'll write negative 26x as minus x minus 25x, and then plus 5. Then I will use factoring by grouping. I'll take my first set here, 5x squared minus x, and factor out an x, and I get x times 5x minus 1. And I'll take my second group and I'll factor out minus 5, or negative 5. I get negative 5 times 5x minus 1. And then I factor my common binomial factor, 5x minus 1 times the x from here minus the 5 from here, and that gives me the factorization of the original polynomial.